Before that, you want to make sure you get your brake lever unscrewed, and there's a little spring that goes here to the brake that you want to get off to. It takes a little nut there is a 6mm hex bit. Take all the bolts out. Oh, make sure you drain the oil. So after you make sure your oil is drained out, you have 5 bolts, 10mm. Pull those off. Oh. Hang on a second. And then me, I already took my old clutch out, so there's nothing in there at the moment. Okay. Next. Wait a second. You want to get your fibers, because on this bike, fibers go first. Slap that in there. Steel, you want to make sure you soak these in oil for, most people say a day, but you at least want to for sure do a few hours. And then it'll be good to go. Come on. Come on, get in there, bastard. So it'll start with the fiber, and it'll end with the fiber. And if not, then you know you messed something up. I got a goddamn mess over here. And last but not least. Okay, get that on. You want to get this. I'm going to clean mine up. Second. Slide that on. Take your 5 new springs. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Take your bolts. Uh-oh, a little long. Oh, that's gonna be a pain in the ass. There you go. I'm gonna try this. Not sure why they're not right. Okay. Just gonna have to do 5 by these. Nope. Hold down. Just gotta be careful you don't cross through them, strip them out. Any dumb shit like that. Wow, especially while doing it like this. Because then you're fucked. Or I should say screwed. not really sure what torque spec's supposed to be on these, but it should be alright. You want to make sure this bad puppy's cleaned out. Alright. I'm reusing my gasket. Gasket ain't bad. If he's got tear and wear in it, definitely recommended. So the long bolt goes here on top, and all the rest are the same. And then tighten all those down, throw your brake lever back on, and that'll be it. Thanks for watching.